if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being.
Let's dive into the details of the Infinix Hot 40 Pro. An amazing smartphone from the Infinix brand. It was launched in December 2023. And it's packed with some really cool features. First things, let's talk about the display. The Hot 40 Pro sports a large 6.78-inch IPS LCD panel, giving you a fantastic visual experience. With a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. You can expect sharp and vibrant visuals with a pixel density of around 396 ppi to keep that beautiful display protected. The Hot 40 Pro comes with a layer of protection. This ensures that your screen stays safe from scratches and accidental damage, keeping it looking brand new. When it comes to storage, you have two options to choose from. The Hot 40 Pro is available in two variants, one with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM, and another with 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. This means you'll have plenty of space to store all your favorite apps, photos, and videos. Plus, with UFS to point-to technology, you can expect fast and efficient performance. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse of the Hot 40 Pro. It is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 6nm chipset, which ensures smooth multitasking and speedy performance. With an octa-core 2x2.2 GHz Cortex-A76 and 6x2.0 GHz Cortex-A55 CPU, you can expect a snappy and responsive experience while using your phone. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the Hot 40 Pro doesn't disappoint. It comes with a hefty 5000 mAh battery, which should easily last you throughout the day. And when it's time to recharge, the 303 wired charging feature ensures that you can quickly juice up your phone and get back to using it in no time. So, if you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone with a stunning display, ample storage, powerful performance, and long-lasting battery life, the Infinix Hot 40 Pro is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video about the Infinix Hot 40 Pro, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Don't miss out on future videos and updates.
You don't ever want to set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? And 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 will you get bored?
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. Got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I